How to change a diaphragm on a toilet. As you can see, it's a Derwent Macdee mechanism. So what we need to do here, turn here, loosens that off, and then disconnect the mechanism here. Right, the cable is now disconnected. That draws the piston at the bottom here. Now all you need to do now, since this end is disconnected, is lift up. Straight up. A bit fiddly. Comes out. There you go. This is where the pulling mechanism came through. So all you need to do now is lift out. Take off the spring. Lift out the old diaphragm. Just a retaining clip there. Right, your new diaphragm. Push on. Put on the washers. Put the spring in. Just lock it in so it doesn't fall out. Make sure these follow the end guides right here. Tighten up here. Reattach the cable to the handle.